Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. So today I just finally got the new HomePod. I pre-booked it, so without wasting any time, let's unbox this one and then I will see if it is better than HomePod Mini. I actually have two pair of HomePod Mini and I was really excited for this one because the OG HomePod was not there when I was in the market to buy the HomePod. So this is I just got it like 10 minutes back, so let me unbox it. This is the box and this is the peel off sticker, and as I've ordered the midnight one, so the HomePod on the box is also midnight one, and the price of this one is like 32,900 which is around 33. So let's see if it is really worth that much. The main purpose for me is to like use it in my bedroom, then I will use the HomePod Mini in this one and the kitchen. So this is the HomePod, and I guess this one has a detachable cable. It does not look like uh, actually black, it is kind of grayish. Then we have a cable which is not that big in length, but this one is not like your HomePod Mini where you have like a 20-watt adapter with the cable. Then we have some user manual. Yeah, so the controls are pretty much the same, so I'm not gonna go through the user manual. So the top surface is same as HomePod Mini but little bit bigger, not that big. Then we have the bottom. I've seen the reviews and other things for the OG HomePod where the bottom was like kind of uh, have some inverted space, and same for the top surface, like it was kind of all in symmetry, but right now it is little bit inside this mesh. So let me try to set it up, then I will test some audio and we will see how it is. Alright, so the setup was really quick. Like for the HomePod Mini it took around like 5 to 10 minutes most of the time, but for in this case it was hardly like 2 minutes. So without wasting any time, on the iPhone it is showing us like HomePod is currently being configured. So let me try to play something which is not a copyrighted one. So this is at the middle volume. The bass is so damn good, like this entire table is vibrating and my chest is like I can feel the thump. Let me change the song. Wow, I guess I'm gonna get another one as well. So again this is the like medium volume. I'm not sure if you guys can like listen to the bass out of this road. I'm not sure if it is really that great, so let me try it for this song. thing is, it is under calibration as of now. So because I just unboxed it, so it might improve my audio experience. Now let's try with other song. Okay, so the thing is, it doesn't feel like the bass or something comes out of here. Like I can feel something like bass is coming out of here or here, like the envelope for the sound. Even it is not spatial audio. This is really amazing. Now let me try the last one. And if you guys would like me to compare it to HomePod Mini or the stereo setup of HomePod Mini, like whether you would like to go with 3 HomePod Minis or one this HomePod, it's gonna be your choice. And I can do a audio comparison for the similar songs. Let's try this one. Let's try this song. I guess that's pretty much it for the audio comparison. And I guess like 2 HomePods will be more than enough for a home theater system for a small size room. If I'm not wrong, like this entire room was like it sounds way too loud at max volume, so I'm not gonna use it at max volume. Same goes for HomePod Minis. So the sound is not getting distorted at max volumes. Everything seems to be pretty fine. I have not tried spatial audio or anything yet. Neither the Dolby Atmos songs. I will try them and we'll let you know, guys. And if you guys are interested, I'm gonna compare it with. I do have a Nest Mini, I guess, but that is not even compared to HomePod Minis. So we can compare it to HomePod Mini or the MacBook Pro's speaker. So if you guys are interested, do let me in the comment section below. And that's pretty much it for this video.